This video is a presentation of Ivanhoe Energy Inc. It's a NASDAQ listed stock trading our ticker IVAN. You can see over the last 2-3 months, this chart's gone through a pretty heavy slide from up around 85 cents down to form a base here around 36 cents. This big increase in volume on Wednesday caught my eye. Almost 3.4 million shares traded. It's quite a large increase over a 3-month average. Now, stock didn't hold the gains for the day, went up near the 20-day moving average and pulled back down before the close. But because it held above a support level with that swell in volume, that could be a hint that traders are seeing this as a buying opportunity, and with that, it's one to keep an eye on going forward to see if this is going to be identified as a true bottom for the chart. Now, see the MACD histogram bars are rising back towards zero. That tells me that a bullish cross in the MACD could be ready to happen. Now, the MACD is not truly bullish till it wants to break back above zero, but a bullish cross through here would be the first sign of that potentially happening, and it's indicative of a trend shift, so it's worth noting to see if the MACD is going to start trying to trend back upward. Now, the chart's formed a bit of a PPO ADX pinch, with the PPO getting down relatively low, down around -20. And the ADX isn't super high, up around 44. But that combined with the negative DI being on top of the positive DI is forming the PPO ADX pinch. And that's generally a pretty good sign for a reversal to happen. So what we want to pay attention to going forward is this ADX starting to cool off, breaking back down below 40, and the positive and negative DIs reversing position, in conjunction with this support level being held, which lends to the idea that the chart's going to at least put together a temporary bounce. That's also coupled with the idea of the relative strength index being in oversold territory. The 14 is only registering a 19 right now, and it made a little bit of a move upward with the buying pressure that came in on Wednesday. Again, that's just another early on sign that this chart might be ready to take on some upward pressure. Now, without a doubt, for me the most important thing is that support level around 36 cents. That absolutely must stay intact for me, because you can see what's happened in the past with the support level up around 80 cents. When the price per share fell through that, it dropped down, formed another support around 65 cents, and then again another around 50 cents. And each time those support levels were broken, a pretty substantial drop followed. So that's why it's very important to me that this support level holds. Now, on that note, that old support at 50 cents is now going to serve as resistance. But from Wednesday's closing price around 38 cents, that's a pretty nice percentage gain to go up and even challenge that first level of resistance. Beyond that, I see more up around 65, based on this support in October and November, in August and September as well. Now, obviously, that's a big move from current levels, and I'm not looking for that to happen tomorrow. What I'm looking for is for this support to hold and for the indicators to continue to shift into a little bit more bullish positions, and to see if this chart can break through this purple line, the 20-day moving average, and move to the upper half of the Bollinger Bands, and then further down the road, see how it reacts to this brown line, the 50-day moving average, to support the idea of a larger scale reversal in the chart, and this being a true bottom for Ivanhoe Energy. So those are the type of things that I'll be looking for going forward. But as always, it's merely my interpretation of the IVAN chart. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpenny.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.